आप हमें लाइव at www.radioazad.us on your radio dials on 104.9 FM HD3. Make sure that you have tuned into 104.9 FM HD3 to listen to us 24/7, and of course FM quality sound. And you can download the free Radio Azad iPhone or Android app, both of which have been updated and are super duper cool. And जनाब हमारे senior citizens के लिए make sure that you can also listen to us by dialing a toll-free number 425-426-1239 from any phone anywhere in North America. Follow Radio Azad on social media. Radio Azad is on Facebook. Find our Twitter handle. We are on Instagram and Mixcloud, and you can get to Mixcloud through our apps as well. और जनाब रेडियो आज़ाद का YouTube channel definitely worth subscribing to, as is our Double Shot Espresso YouTube channel. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बढ़ रहे हैं जनाब. I think we have about over 100 subscribers already. So let us know what you think of the shows, what we can improve. We would love to do that. आज का टॉपिक जनाब, you're listening to and watching us on YouTube. This is Double Shot Espresso with Tasneem and Aisha. Hi Tasneem.
Hi Aisha, how are we this morning?
Good. Staying warm, I hope.
I know, right? Exactly. We were like wondering whether we were able to make it to the studio this morning, but come rain, hail or storm or snow, we are here.
Yes, and in typical Texas weather fashion, you never know, right? Until it actually happens. So there's no snow even though it is predicted.
Yeah.
But I'm glad to be here because we have a great topic for our listeners. आज का topic है about forgiveness. Now, you know, Bollywood serves up such an easy version of forgiveness, right? Rootna, manana, all that, everything is forgiven, forgotten, and all is rosy in the end. Both hero and heroine ride off into the sunset or dance around the tree. Lekin, sadly, reality mein life is much harder. People carry around the burden of unforgiveness, if that is a word, for years, sometimes decades. And it's a very, very heavy burden to bear. Basically, जो चीज़ें होती हैं, it is difficult for the person who's been wronged, ठीक है, and wants to hear an apology, and it's also very difficult दूसरी तरफ पर for the person whose ego or hardened nature or state of oblivion, उनको पता ही नहीं कि उन्होंने क्या किया है, prevents him or her from uttering those words. ठीक है? And there's a quote which says, forgiveness says you are given another chance to make a new beginning. So let's learn today about how we can make those new beginnings.
बिल्कुल. और ये जो टॉपिक है ना, उसके इतने सारे डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स है जो शायद मैंने अपने पोस्ट, फेसबुक पोस्ट और व्हाट्सएप के मैसेजेस में डालने की, बिकॉज फॉरगिवनेस इज, वी आर नॉट ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट कि आप किसी से कैसे मांगे forgiveness या कैसे realize करें, but it's also about accepting that forgiveness. It's also about क्या होता है अगर जब you're not forgiven, how do you forgive yourself, and some of the really important questions that you want to ask yourself when you want to internalize and realize what you've done was inappropriate or wrong, or you've caused hurt or pain to somebody. So I just like to start by saying that हर कोई इंसान ने कभी ना कभी किसी ना किसी को तो कैसे तरह hurt किया है, in a small measure or in a big measure. Like some of us may have just about made a joke about somebody which didn't really go off well. You've hurt somebody. Some of us have God forbid, done something really dramatic, like caused harm to somebody or caused a death of somebody or, abused somebody. These are like really serious things. So, the parameters then remains that what can and what can't be forgiven, right? Because, God forbid, if I've killed somebody, would that family, would that person ever be able to forgive me, the family members. So regardless of the scope or scale of harm, we all hurt people, but we can also learn to practice what I feel is the first point that I want to introduce in the introduction, which is accountability. Accountability doesn't mean apologizing to save your reputation or making excuses for your behavior, but accountability means taking a deep, long look at ourselves, what we did, who we hurt, how we did it, what were the consequences of our action, how did you make that person feel. And it also then means taking active steps to make that harm better, or to try and overcome that in the best way possible. The truth is, we can't make anyone else forgive us, but we can learn first to forgive ourselves and then do better in the future. Now, psychologists, if you were to ask for a definition of forgiveness, they define forgiveness as a conscious, deliberate decision to release feelings of resentment or vengeance towards a person or group who has harmed you, regardless of whether they actually deserve your forgiveness or not. So it's just about you taking that step, not with the expectation कि मैं ये करूँगी तो मुझे माफ़ी मिल जाएगी. So it's just that conscious, deliberate decision. And so many things. Oh my God, forgiveness, the peace of mind it brings you, the freedom, it frees you from your anger when you forgive somebody, that is. And they say that when you actually genuinely ask for forgiveness, we should, does it come with having to feel positive about the other person? And I would want to talk about that in a moment, but first we have like this flashing lights going all over, so let's take our callers.
All right, Radio Azad, you're on the air.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम आयशा साहब और
जी जी
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
भाई आप लोगों की ब्रेवरी की भी दाद देनी पड़ेगी. शाबाश,
ब्रेवरी
माशाल्लाह.
किस बात की?
भाई आज तो जो है सारी दुनिया बंद होने वाली थी टेक्सास में.
जी.
रेडियो आजाद नहीं बंद होता.
आपको मालूम है कि देखें, अगर जरा सा भी आइस या कुछ हो जाता है तो टेक्सास जो है पूरा शट डाउन हो जाता है.
जी जी.
तो ब्रेवरी की बात देनी पड़ेगी आप दोनों की. अच्छा, अब आपके टॉपिक पे देखें. हम आदम अलैहिस्सलाम की औलादों में से हैं, राइट?
जी.
हाँ, तो गलती तो हम हर एक इंसान से होगी और करेंगे. अब उसको किस तरह से डील करना. हाँ, मेरा पर्सनल वो ही है कि अगर आप माफ कर देते हैं तो आप अपना बोझ जो है कम कर देते हैं. किसी को माफ करके, किसी ने गलती आपके साथ की है या कुछ किया है तो आप अपना बोझ हल्का कर देते हैं, और साइकोलॉजिकली और दूसरे तरीके से भी आपको जो है कोई सेल्फ सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है, बहुत आराम मिलता है कुदरती पावर की तरफ से. और उसमें एक स्टोरी देना है, देन आई एंड इट हियर, कि हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जो है कोई सहाबी मस्जिद में आ रहे थे तो उन्होंने कहा ये जन्नती है. तो सारे सहाबी बोले अरे ये तो क्या हो गया है कि हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने बोल दिया ये बंदा जो है जन्नती है, क्यों है? तो सहाबी लोगों ने क्या किया, उनके साथ में जाके रात भर उठना बैठना शुरू किया, रहना शुरू किया. परेशान हो गए कि भाई क्या डिफरेंस कर रहे हैं जो ये जन्नती हैं. तो फिर थक गए तो बाद में उनसे पूछा तो उन्होंने बताया कि मैं रोजाना रात को सोने से पहले लोगों को माफ करके सोता हूँ. सिर्फ एक ये क्वालिटी की वजह से वो जन्नती बन गया. तो आपकी टॉपिक पे भी ये बहुत कुछ कहा जा सकता है, कह सकते हैं, लेकिन अभी सुनेंगे और दूसरों को भी मौका देंगे. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू आजम साहब. रेडियो आजाद, you're on the air.
जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम आयशा तस्नीम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम शहनाज जी, हाउ आर यू?
बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक. मैं आयशा को कहने वाली थी एफएम और ऐप के बारे में, लेकिन मैं फ्राइडे सवाल करूंगी बिकॉज आप लोगों ने टॉपिक स्टार्ट कर लिया. लेकिन मैं इसकी आयशा की डेडिकेशन और पंक्चुअलिटी की तो दाद दूंगी.
थैंक यू सो मच.
आंधी तूफान बर्फ जो भी हो, आयशा पहुंच जाती.
देखें आप भी तो है ना हमारे साथ. सो आंधी तूफान और बर्फ.
असल में घर के कंफर्ट में बैठ के बात कर रही हूँ. आप निकल के स्टूडियो तक आप लोग आते हैं.
लेकिन कॉल तो करती है ना. हाँ, कॉल तो करती हैं. सो मच अप्रिशिएटेड शहनाज जी. एंड यू कैन कम बैक रिगार्डिंग आवर टॉपिक. रेडियो आजाद, यू आर ऑन द एयर.
All right. Good morning, girls. Very nice. बहुत ही अच्छा topic उठाया है because I think we can use it for the rest of our lives and always. So beautiful. Always you all have the most beautiful topics, very heartwarming topics. And yes, I can tell you something recently that happened which really amazed me. So you can be the most. हम लोग सबसे अच्छा human being हो सकते हैं अपना जिंदगी में. आप कितनी भी age हो सकती है, 0 to 89, whatever your age is. But the most important thing is हम क्या बोझ और क्या अंदर शिकायतें या दुख या अनफॉरगिविंग नेचर रख के चल सकते हैं. तो हम कितने भी अच्छे हों जिंदगी में, but the most important thing is हम कितने भारी हैं. एंड हमें एहसास होता है जब भी कोई आपको कुछ कहता है जो 19 साल पुरानी बात हो या 20 साल 21 साल पुरानी बात हो, तो मालूम पड़ता है वाह भगवान या ईश्वर या जो भी अल्लाह या जो भी, कि हाउ अमेजिंग आर यू कि आप इतना पुराना बात अपना अंदर रख के चल सकते हो. तो आई रियली फील वाओ, कुदरती. जैसे उन्होंने साहब ने कहा कि हम जब सोने से पहले अपने को सब कुछ भूल के शुक्राना मान के और सबको फॉरगिव करके सोए, बिकॉज हमें 1 मिनट 1 सेकंड का आप पता नहीं है, मिनट तो छोड़ो. तो वाओ, तो उन्होंने बहुत ही सबने अच्छा कहा. एंड शहनाज जी भी कुछ कह रही थी, आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रही थी. तो इट रियली इज डिजर्विंग. एंड यू ऑल हैव अ ब्लेस्ड डे.
Thank you so much, sweetheart.
And
Thanks so
you
much.
bring up such a good point. It's not only about being bhari as far as our physical appearance, mental. Absolutely. 9725019390. Our topic today is on forgiveness, and it's going to resonate with a lot of people. Just I have a request that if you would like to call in with multiple points, then to call in once every half hour for that. Just our humble request for that. Ji Tasneem,
So yeah, as I was saying, कि when you forgive somebody, that therefore does it mean कि भाई अभी मुझे उस person को like करना है, now I have to really start absolutely forgive everything and have positive feelings about that person. That may not happen immediately. But what you would have to do, or what would happen through the practice of forgiveness, is that you would let go of the deeply held negative feelings, and in that way it empowers you to recognize the pain that you suffered when when before you forgave that person, without letting that pain define you. So then that would in the process enable you to kind of heal and move on with your life. So forgiveness is definitely the release of that resentment or that anger, but it doesn't necessarily mean reconciliation. So I would want to make that point very clear, that one doesn't really need to return to the same relationship or accept the same harmful behavior from the offender, if we can call them that, especially for the more serious things that we spoke about.
yeah.
It becomes really difficult, and you don't need to. So, and as we just now, Aarti also pointed out, that the main thing is your mental health, right? Forgiveness directly has an impact. It's vitally important for your mental health. It propels people forward rather than keeping them emotionally engaged in a past injustice or trauma. And it has been shown to elevate mood, enhance optimism, fight blood pressure, stress, anxiety, depression, just so many advantages. So I think when the pain of holding on to the wrongdoing in the past continues to follow you into the present and the future, it's really time we consider forgiving people.
All right, let's take a caller. Radio Azad, you are on the air.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम आयशा.
जी वालेकुम सलाम.
वालेकुम सलाम.
हाँ, आई जस्ट मैं सुन रही हूँ, बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है. इसमें हम फॉरगिवनेस की बात करें तो आई मीन आई थिंक इट्स एट एवरी लेवल, ऑन एन एवरीडे बेसिस, ऑन certain extent we are hurt by little things. इसमें आपके जिनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, आपके बच्चे हैं, आपके शौहर, आपके घर में, so we're talking about the different magnitudes, like you're hurt in on the long run, that's different, and when you are getting hurt. So forgiveness comes when you're hurt, and when you recognize that you are hurt, it kind of burdens you, and it burdens you emotionally and physically, until you want to, and it's hard to shut it off. So I think forgiveness starts from small steps. कि आपके साथ जो हो रहा है उसके साथ आप सोचें कि इससे it is a thing that will pass on, something good will come out of it, diverse stuff, and that brings and everyday dealings become easier.
What a great perspective, and I'm sure you as a psychiatrist see it all the time. Do you have people coming with you carrying these great big burdens, and is that what it boils down to? Okay, they have not been able to forgive somebody or forgive themselves, or reached out to somebody for maybe for apologizing about something that they did. आप देखती हैं अपने practice में?
I think in practice, I see, very, very serious things happening. Very, traumatic things happening to the clients, the patients, the burden they carry. It's not just about, their hurt, momentarily. They carry it in their life, and these are very, very, very traumatic experiences that they go, and it's hard to capture everything. But, in my personal experience, is like every day you feel you're hurt by your loved ones, your family, in small things, because, everybody is at a different emotional maturity. So I feel like, I go through phases, and if I can't let it go or say, okay, I can't keep that negativity, it's hard for me to carry on my day. So I think forgiveness comes on, on small things, on big things, but I think जो long-term perspectives हम बात करें, they need a lot of work to be done on that.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Great to hear your voice on the other side of the phone, as opposed to sitting across from me.
You guys are doing, enlightening it, but I feel like, we are struggling on everyday basis with this kind of issue.
Right. Thank you so much, Dr. Mahmouda. A real pleasure to have you call in. You're listening to Radio Azad, and you're tuned into 104.9 FM HD3. This is where your voice matters. We are talking about forgiveness today, and we have a caller. Let's take them on the air. Radio Azad, hello.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies.
Walaikum assalam, SKF ji. How are you this morning?
Just fine, and I am just admiring your strength and your determination. आप लोग सब चीज, चाहे brain हो, चाहे खूबसूरत मौसम हो, मगर you all will be there. So wonderful, and thank you for warming up my room.
Oh,
thank you so much.
So sweet. It's just a little bit of rain, people.
Actually, हम लोग ने decide किया था.
बोलना जरूरी है. You could have been under the blankets and
Oh, don't remind me. Don't remind me.
So
Yeah.
coming straight to the topic.
जी.
फॉरगिवनेस मेरी जिंदगी में बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा रहा है. इसका कोई माने मैं डिना ही नहीं कर सकती हूँ कि फॉरगिवनेस ने मेरी लाइफ की क्वालिटी कितनी बदली है. एंड आई हैव लेट गो ऑफ ग्रजेस एंड बिटरनेस. आई हैव फॉरगिवन द पीपल हु डिड सो मच हार्म टू माय फैमिली. I will not be reconciling with them. I will not be forgetting it. But I have forgiven them for my peace of mind. और जैसे MLK ने बोला, मार्टिन लूथर किंग का है, forgiveness is not an occasional act, but it's a constant attitude. And that is what I believe. Every day I forgive myself also. If I have done anything wrong, I will at the end of the day always ask forgiveness from my God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or anyone whom I have hurt a little if I have. If I feel it was not the best of the day. बट जो मेरे लाइफ में जिन्होंने इतना बड़े हादसात किए और मेरे फादर को और मेरी फैमिली को जो इतना सफर करवाया वो सिविल वॉर में और वॉर में, मैंने उनको अपने सुकून के लिए माफ किया. और इंशाल्लाह वो लोगों का कंट्रोल कुछ नहीं है अब मेरी सोच पे, और मैं अपनी जिंदगी को बिल्कुल सुकून के साथ, खुशी के साथ गुजार रही हूँ और गुजारूंगी. और उन लोगों का भी शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे ये अनजस्टिफाइड एक्सपीरियंस देख के मेरी जिंदगी में इतनी स्ट्रेंथ डाली है.
जी.
So I have a question for you.
बिल्कुल.
Two aspects of this, of forgiveness. One is forgiveness doesn't mean that you don't have regret, right?
बिल्कुल.
Okay. And the other thing is, once you forgive, should you forget or should you not forget?
डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सिचुएशन. छोटी मोटी चीजों में तो फॉरगेट करके कर सकते हैं, मगर मेरे सिलसिले में मैं बात कर सकती हूँ और डिफरेंट सिनेरियोज की बात कर सकती हूँ. जब वो चीज ऐसी हुई जो आपकी जिंदगी के कोर को हर्ट किया है, कैसा फॉरगेट कर सकते हैं और कैसा उनसे रिकंसाइल कर सकते हैं, बड़ा मुश्किल है. मगर वो सिचुएशन में फिर पूरी कोशिश करना कि अपने आप को प्लेस ना करने की. और रिग्रेट भी ये है कि जैसा अपने आप का रिग्रेट हो सकता है, अरे क्यों ये बात उनको बोली, छोटी अगर कोई चीज है, मगर कई ऐसे सिचुएशन में है जो आपके कंट्रोल के बाहर थे.
जी जी.
तो आप कैसा रिग्रेट करेंगे? इट वाज बियॉन्ड योर कंट्रोल.
Right.
तो जो लोगों ने वो सिचुएशन क्रिएट किया, वो अपने अल्लाह से और अपने खुदा से या उससे माफी मांगे अपने सुकून के लिए. मैं तो आजाद हो गई हूँ.
जी.
बिल्कुल. तो एक तो रिग्रेट का आपने पूछा, और दूसरा ये कि फॉरगेट करना, रिकंसाइल करना डिपेंड करता है ऑन दैट स्पेसिफिक एक्ट दैट वाज डन. इन माय केस इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फॉरगेट, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिकंसाइल, बट आई हैव फॉरगिवन एंड गिवन such a good twist to the things that I feel so peaceful and happy.
Wonderful.
And it took years and years, Aisha and
Yes,
Tasneem.
yes.
It's not immediately, you know, but it is a beautiful journey of forgiveness is very important for your own self. And forgive yourself also, forgive others also, decipher the situation and go with it according to the type of forgiveness you want in your life. Okay?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you for calling in with those wonderful points. Hi, to have a Brian Adams.
I know, right? So early in the morning. Please forgive me.
Yes.
But I couldn't take my eyes off the screen.
But you know what? He's saying, forgive me for loving you too much,
I know,
right?
right? Yeah,
So-
but just वो please forgive me सुन के ही वहाँ पे forgive in हो जाता है.
But you know, that's just amazing. Okay, Janab, you're tuned into Double Shot Espresso with Tasneem and Aisha, and we are talking about forgiveness. We're going to go on to 3 important things to consider when apologizing. People don't do enough of this, Tasneem.
I know, right? I think realize नहीं होता, या you know पता नहीं खुद की ego आ जाती है, but जो भी है, I think things to consider when you know before you actually make that move to wanna apologize is very important. When once again we are flashing red, so let's take our callers first.
Alrighty, Radio Azad, you're on the air.
जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम लेडीज.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
कैसी हैं?
अल्लाह का शुक्र. मैंने कहा आपके पास आज कॉल्स बहुत होंगे, आपके पॉइंट्स के लिए टाइम नहीं है.
हम अभी तक 1 पे ही स्टक हैं.
अच्छा, इसलिए मैं क्विक बता देती हूँ. तो जब मेरे वालिद का इंतकाल हुआ था तो उस वक्त हम बहुत छोटे ही थे, तो लेकिन हमारे जो चचाएं और फूफियां जो थे ना, वो हमसे बहुत अच्छा सलूक नहीं किया था. तो हमारे डैडी सबसे पहले उनका इंतकाल हुआ था, मीन्स 38 ईयर अगो. तो उस वक्त हमें तकलीफ भी होती थी, लेकिन हमें समझ में नहीं आता था कि उनसे फिर किस तरह बोले या क्या करें ना. तो मेरी अम्मी है ना, उन्होंने कहा कि अब हम इस घर में नहीं रह सकते, हम कहीं और जाके रेंटेड इसमें रहेंगे. तो हम लोग वो घर से हम चले गए वहां से. हम लोग
ठीक है,
विद इन अ ईयर और विद इन 2 ईयर चले गए हम. तो हम जब उन लोगों के सामने नहीं होते थे ना, तो हमें गुस्सा कम आता था, और हम सोचते थे कि चलो हम हमारी जो लाइफ है हम उसमें आगे बढ़ जाएंगे. तो उसके बाद में कभी भी फिर उन्होंने इतने साल गुजर गए, हम चाहते थे कि मिल लें, कभी इधर उधर नजर आए तो सलाम अलैकुम होती थी, लेकिन उन लोगों ने कभी हमसे माफी उन लोगों ने कभी नहीं मांगी. आई थिंक उन लोग उम्र में बड़े थे, तो शायद उन लोग ऐसा समझते थे कि हम क्यों मांगे हैं हम. तो लेकिन अब लास्ट जनवरी में फिर मेरे एक चाचा का जो सबसे बाकी थे, आफ्टर 37 ईयर ऑफ माय फादर्स डेथ, ही पास्ड अवे. लेकिन अब हमें उतना कोई फर्क नहीं होता था कि, तो मेरा मतलब है कि अगर नाराज हैं, अगर हमसे कोई माफी नहीं मांगे, तो हम अगर उनसे दूर हटके चले जाएं, हम अगर अपनी लाइफ में बिजी हो जाएंगे, तो फिर हमें वो मसला नहीं होगा कि उन्होंने हमसे माफी मांगी या नहीं मांगी ना. तो और मतलब अब मेरे दिल में तो किसी के लिए कोई वो नहीं है कि किसी से बख्स रखूं या की ना रखूं। अलबत्ता कभी मेरे भाई से थोड़ा मुझे वो होता कि वो महीनों है ना वो मुझे कॉल करके मेरी खैरियत नहीं पूछते, तो फिर मैं सोचती हूँ कि उनके अलग मसरूफियात होते होंगे, उनकी अलग लाइफ होगी, तो हम क्यों उसमें इंटरफियर करें ना। तो हम अगर टच में नहीं रहे तो फिर हमें है ना वो चीजें थोड़ी भूलने करने में हमें आसानी हो जाती।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
इंसान है तो हमारा तो हम तो कभी ना कभी हम भी किसी से माफी मांगना ही चाहिए हमें हर वक्त। अगर जब भी आपको फील हो, जब मुझे फील होता है मैं जो है मैं एक्सक्यूज कर लेती हूँ या फिर मैं अपोलोजाइज कर लेती हूँ कि मैंने ये गलती की है। अगर मेरी हुई है गलती तो यू हैव टू बी, मेरे को माफ कर देना।
श्योर, परफेक्ट, थैंक यू सो मच सुरैया जी आपकी कॉल का, आपके पॉइंट्स का। 9725019390। So we were talking about 3 things to consider when apologizing. Let me ask you a question, Tasneem. Why don't people apologize?
I think मैंने जो बताया ना अभी मेरे जहन में तो ये 2 बिगेस्ट चीज़ आ रही है। पहले रियलाइज़ ही नहीं होता। A lot of people do not realize that they have hurt you. And the ones who probably then do, कभी ये जो ईगो आ जाता है ना कि अभी ठीक है जाने दो, या let it just pass, it's going to just become okay if I don't address it. A lot of time people think that if I just don't address it, really it's so alarming, but it's true. A lot of time people think that by just not addressing it, it's going to go away and it's going to just become okay with the fact that time will play its role and things will just iron itself out, but it doesn't. And I think I've over time and age have learned to probably have a voice. So this is for people who probably get taken for granted a lot, or who feel that they are kind of just managing their hurt on their own. I urge those people to actually find their own voice, because a lot of times you'll realize that इतनी कोई बड़ी बात है नहीं। आपने बता दिया कि भाई ये इससे मुझे हर्ट हुआ, अगले ने रियलाइज कर लिया या नहीं किया, so you know where you stand at least, and then you forgive and then you move on. Life is pretty simple when looked at it from that point of view. But when there's all the gichi-gumi happens when you keep it within you, you suffer, you hurt, you sit in silence, the other person doesn't realize, they keep doing what they're doing, you keep getting hurt. Eventually the relationship suffers, you want to get away, they are wondering why you're behaving so weird. It's just a vicious circle.
Absolutely. And you said it, you hit the nail on the head, is that then you walk away. You let's say you're in an abusive situation, somebody has yelled at you, abused you, gaaliyan, whatever, aapne gucci kaha. So and there's no apology, right?
Yeah.
The other thing that they are not wrong,
Bilkul.
right?
Yeah.
Or their ego is coming in the way,
Yeah.
and you know what happens? Relationship ends because the other person said, I've had enough of this nonsense and I'm walking away, and they're never going to see it.
Yeah, which is very true. And I want to feed off that point that you just made, is they feel that they're not wrong. And isme ek quote maine padha tha which says, when a person tells you that you hurt them, you don't get to decide that you didn't.
Oh, brilliant.
When a person tells you that you hurt them, you don't get to decide that you didn't, because वो एक feeling है ना, आपकी intention नहीं हो, correct, आपका वो नियत से नहीं आए थे, आप you didn't think you were wrong, all of that correct, but you made me feel like that. वो feeling तो acknowledge करनी पड़ेगी ना आपको, उसके लिए तो माफी मांगनी पड़ेगी ना कि I didn't mean it and I'm really sorry.
Yeah.
So that also, I think people don't realize that मेरी गलती नहीं है तो फिर मुझे क्यों माफी मांगनी है.
Right.
Yeah.
Let's take a caller. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
एक क्विक बात, वो प्रॉपर्टी का ही मसला होता था मेरे फादर और उनके भाइयों के ना, तो लेकिन हमने एक बाउंड्री फिर सेट कर ली थी। हमने हमारी जो मेहनत सुकून से जो है हम अपना वो करते थे, एक बाउंड्री सेट करके। एंड स्टिल अभी भी मैं है ना, अभी एक ये 2020 में भी मैंने एक बहुत बड़ी एक बाउंड्री सेट की है। जब हमें समझ में आ जाए ना, उस वक्त ही हमारा सवेरा हो जाता है।
Absolutely. Absolutely, extremely important point. Setting that boundary, and it's never too late to set that boundary. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई, बड़ा जबरदस्त शो जा रहा है और आप दोनों के लिए एक सवाल है, वो ये, व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू डोंट फॉरगिव?
Okay, we will talk about that. Thank you. Oh, do give us a call back. आपकी call drop हो गई. What happens when you don't? We'll come back
We'll
to that.
come to that because है वो एक segment ही है पूरा
Right.
जिस पे हम बात करने वाले हैं.
ठीक है.
So
I have a question for you. Also.
Yeah.
I mean, my mind is swimming right now. with all
I know,
these.
right? This is just such a real topic
हाँ.
today.
Is letting go. जी बोलिए.
I just, do you have, Aisha ji and
Tasneem.
I just wanted to, Tasneem ji, मैंने बताना था, this is a really good show. I really need help with this. So my question is, you didn't elaborate enough for me. So when all this happens, how do you confront and how do you find the solution? Can you just slowly elaborate on how to tell the person and then how to be able to forgive and walk away, or just at least be at peace with it?
How do you confront and how do you?
Meaning, how do you find the strength to live with that? You know, that you at least addressed it and that you walk away. Because we're talking about the issue, but you're not talking about really slowly about the resolution and how to address it.
Honestly, we haven't even started our material yet. So
inshallah, towards
That is
the
really
as the
good,
show
and I'm
progresses.
thinking more for the action part.
Yes.
Thank you.
So I think let's do this. Let's take a break on the calls, and why don't we get into our material, because I think a lot of people can benefit from this. My question to you is letting go the same thing as forgiveness. So we'll get to that when we get to that.
Right,
Okay.
we will. So the first thing that I have over here in terms of 3 things to consider before you even want to apologize to somebody is, firstly, don't think of it as that apologizing means you become a smaller person or a lesser person. It just means that you value the person, relationship, or whatever that is more than your ego. And it doesn't really mean that you're losing the argument, because a lot of times, you know, people think that meri galti nahi hai. I don't think I was wrong, so why do I need to apologize? You're not apologizing for the action. Sometimes you're just apologizing for the way you made the person feel. And you need to remember that forgiveness is a feeling, right? You've hurt somebody, hurt, pain, ये सब जो भी है वो एक feeling है. तो अगर आप समझते हैं कि आपने गलती नहीं की, फिर भी अगर आपने किसी को तकलीफ पहुंचाई है, तो then you need to apologize. Second, don't expect the person to forgive you immediately. Asking for forgiveness doesn't give you the right to demand forgiveness. And when you say you're sorry, you're giving the other person a chance to consider their feelings and then react to your apology as they see fit. If the person doesn't come around immediately, then you need to be prepared कि भाई मुझे वापस sorry बोलनी पड़ेगी. You know, depending on how badly the person has been hurt, or how, you know, what is that thing that you've done, you may have to apologize, you know, more than once. And after that, you have to make that person realize, feel, show by action or something that you are prepared to make amends. You're actually going to do new action. You're going to, you know, treat the person differently, or you're going to prove to them that you are ready to make changes in yourself, and that same thing is not going to be happening. Because what happens when you do something which has hurt somebody, a lot of the trust is broken, and that takes time to rebuild, and that can not be rebuilt immediately by just apologizing. Of course, with something small perhaps it will, but if it is anything bigger than that, then you will need to show by action that with the apology you also mean to take corrective action, and it will not happen again. And जो शहनाज जी ने, SKF जी ने बहुत अच्छी बात की थी, that I can forgive but I will never forget. And you know, there are 2 sides to that coin. So let's talk about the first side first. The first side being that how can you forget? Because the brain will remember the memory. वो erase तो नहीं होने जाने वाली है. So it's not going to be like मैं भूल गई, पूरा erase ही हो गया मेरे memory bank में से. But the fact is that, having said that, it depends on the intention you're coming from. So if I say, you know, Aisha, I have forgiven you, but I will never forget. So meaning I'm carrying the burden. मैंने तो forgive ही नहीं किया. फिर ऐसे अगर intention से मैं आ रही हूँ, तो फिर मैंने forgive भी नहीं किया है. But if I say, you know, XYZ, I have forgiven you, but I remember the lesson, and I'm sorry, but I cannot forget that.
I'm sorry, Tasneem, if I've hurt you. for whatever I did.
I love her. So we can cut that part out. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, right? So you need to come from that intention. So yes, you want to remember the lesson. Yes, you want to, kind of move on and heal. And as such, therefore, you want to remember it. You don't want to forget it. You want to remember the lesson. But you don't want to be sarky about it, because if you're being sarky about it, which brings me to the third point, is you need to pay attention to your words, your body language, your tone of voice, because if you try to sound sarcastic about it, the person is going to say, hey, you've not even forgiven me. You really need to work on that within part and come from a space of love.
Both ways. I think also the person apologizing, if they don't mean it, the other person can tell right off the bat.
Exactly, yeah. Because that body language and tone of voice will come through regardless of what your words are. So, you choose your words, yes, but along with that intention needs to be crystal clear and genuine as well.
So when you say you're sorry, I read this somewhere, but it really is so true that when you apologize, it means that you value the relationship much more than who's right and who is wrong.
Bilkul. So
Right?
true, yes.
So sometimes it's just not worth it to make that point.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry, but a lot of times you'll find women who have not done any wrong, and they will say, "Oh, I'm sorry."
Yeah.
Just so they can smooth things over and move the relationship
Forward. Very
forward.
true.
Right. The other thing is, I find that people, when they may have the shame and the guilt comes on that, I did do something wrong, I did behave incorrectly, but they won't say those words, I'm sorry. They will simply, say something else or do something else to try and cover what they did. Is that good enough?
No.
No.
It never is. It never is. Underline that. You may think that I've done something wrong. Now I'll take the flowers. I'll not say anything. Or I will just kind of be, a really great person from tomorrow onwards. Yes, it would be like a quick fix. You're putting a Band-Aid on it, and that works till the Band-Aid's on it. But trust me, the next time, God forbid, you do something small or big again, that whole past thing is going to come up again. So it's better to actually address, communicate, apologize, and get it over with, rather than carrying it as an under the carpet thing, because on top of the carpet you've kind of fixed it and you've moved on.
I think in my books, it is a great person who can apologize.
Yeah, it takes strength.
Takes a lot of strength. We need to take a commercial break. Let's just see. Radio Azad, you're on the air. If you have a quick point.
नमस्ते आयशा जी।
नमस्ते ममता जी, आपने तो कल धूम मचा दी है कल शो में।
यार सही बात, उस समय कुछ काम भी नहीं था।
अच्छा ममता जी, आप ये कमर्शियल ब्रेक में कॉल करेंगे? हाँ, उसके बाद। ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच। ऑलराइट, वी नीड टू टेक अ कमर्शियल ब्रेक। यू ट्यून्ड इनटू रेडियो आजाद एंड दिस इज 104.9 FM HD3. Tune in your car radios to HD technology. If you have a car 2013 and up, then you can listen to us 24/7 FM sound. It's amazing. And we have extended our programming to 10 p.m. So you can tune into Radio Azad for that. So जो 9 o'clock वाले shows होते हैं, अब वो रात के 10 बजे repeat होंगे. So just a programming note for that. And जनाब, download our app. It's simply the best way that you can listen to Radio Azad.